Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today to solve the question number 28 and 29 from lesson 2-5, literal equations and formulas. Okay, and let us solve 28. What is the radius of circle, okay, with circumference 22? So he give me the circumference, and I know the law or the formula for the circumference, which is C equal 2 pi multiply R. But he asked me, what is the radius? What is the radius? The teacher said, if he asks me about something, I have to make it alone and happy. And in this formula or this equation, I have to make this alone and happy. But something stick with this, it is 2 pi. So, and there are a hidden multiply, so I will divide by 2 pi here and 2 pi here. So R equal C over 2 pi. Okay. Now to find the radius, if the circumference given, it is circumference divided by 2 pi. All of time? Yes. So if you want to solve any question and he asks you about a radius of a circle and the circumference is written or given, you just divide it by 2 pi. Okay? So you just remove this and write this here. Okay? And then you get the answer, 11 over pi. How you get 11 over pi, teacher? Because, my boys, 22 divided by 2 equal 11. So this is the answer. Okay? Let us take another example. If he asks me about the radius, what is the radius of the circle with a circumference not 22, 50? So what you have to do, you write R equal C over 2 pi, and you remove the C and write the 50 in this case, and you're done. But you need one simple more step, which is 50 divided by 2, 50 real, give it the half for your brother, it is equal 25, teacher. So 25 over pi. And if you want it in decimal, you just divide 25 by about 3, and then you get not the exact answer but around this answer. Okay, you can do 25 over 3. Okay, then you get the answer in decimal. Okay, my dear student, so remember that the radius equal C over 2 pi. Again, together, C equal, sorry, not C. Again, R equal circumference over 2 pi. Okay, so if you want to find R, you need circumference. If you want to find the radius, you need the circumference. After you find the circumference, you divide it by 2 pi. Okay, my dear student, I hope you got it. Now 29, it's talking about rectangle. What is the length of a rectangle with a width 10 and area 45? You know, any rectangle in the world, as you know, it has a length and width. And to find the area, you just multiply length multiply by width. But in this lesson, he try to connect between the equations and the formula. What he asks you to find the length. That's mean you have to make the length alone and happy. How you can make it? Something stick with it, which is the W. So divide by left side. This is the right side, and this is the left side. So divide the right side by W, and what you do in the right, you have to do in the left. So this cancel with this. So the length equal the area over the W, the width. Okay, so the length equal area divided by the width. What is the area here? Great, 45. The area, it is 45. I get it from here. What is the width? 10. The width is 10. So 45 divided by 10 equal 4.5. This is the length. Let us learn or memorize what we do here. Okay, now if I want to find the length of any rectangle in the world, if the given is the area, you just divide the area by the width. If he asks you about the width, you just divide the area by the length. Okay, this if the area is given. Okay, my boys, thank you for watching, and I hope you get all the benefit from this part. Inshallah, we will complete 30 and 31 in next videos.